Thank you, Mr. Aknak, for giving me your precious time.
Yes, Detective?
Yes. I just want us to discuss about my personal my personal problem that I am facing at home. Yes. The last time I talked with you, you said that you are speaking Spanish. You are referring to a Spanish or a spinach?
Spanish. I speak Spanish. I speak very well Spanish. What do you want?
Very good.
I speak Spanish.
Absolutely correct. Yes, I was looking for someone who can speak fluent Spanish.
Every word. I know every word in Spanish.
That's
exactly
my
what
Mr. Aknak.
Yes, what
That's
do you want?
a friend of mine. You know what, Mr. Aknak? I'm having a friend at home. So sometimes when we're having some issues or maybe I'm having arguments, he will just say to me, hey, he will speak a Spanish word. I don't know that I doesn't.
What is that word?
She will just say to me, hey, don't look me, what, and say, Sinyorin.
Sinyorin?
Yes.
Your partner said Sinyorin to you?
Always when we are having argument, you say that, okay, did you get the glossary that we write it for us? Did you get the portion? Did you get what? And I said, I decided to buy something. You said, I know that you're a senior man. What do we do?
Who is this partner? Is this a girlfriend, your wife, or one-day tournament? Who is this girl?
No, it's not a one-day tournament. It's someone been with him for some time. Yes, and this time is September. I think we started together. We started together this relationship in February. So you can count this month. Maybe it's around 7 or 8, if not mistaken.
Okay, so when was the last time she said this word, Sinyorin, to you?
Oh, yes. That's a very good question, Mr. Aknak. The last time he said Sinyorin to me, we were in bed. Just like partners, you know, I cannot explain, you know, that when partners are in bed, they usually do what? They hug, they put off clothes inside. When we were enjoying this thing, because I cannot be you, you cannot be me.
Yeah.
You take your time in bed, I cannot reach
That's
your
true, yeah.
Yes. So I usually take 1 minute, 13 seconds in bed. Then we
so short. Why so short? Why do you take so short in bed?
No, sometimes I eat too much this thing of drinks, stout sometimes, because I realize that the stouts make me the short time very much. So I don't want to. I easily reach the point of coming out fast.
Okay.
Sometimes I take 1 minute, 13 seconds. Sometimes then I hear my girlfriend when I say when I start taking it out, he said, "Ah, shit, yes, senor." Then I just want to ask you.
So what did you reply when she said Sinyorin to you? What exactly did you tell her?
That's because we're saying this for the third time. I reached a point where by now I'm becoming angry. I said, you senor now. So may you please make me don't laugh at me, Mr. Aknak.
Okay,
may you please make me an example of a senor. What is a senor? Maybe an example.
Okay, a Sinyorin.
Yes, a seniorin, yes.
He's a man. When you look at his eyes, he's a man. But when it comes to real action, he's useless. That's what a Sinyorin is.
What the definition of the word is, seniorin is someone who looks like a man.
Man, yeah. When you see him in his eyes, he's a man.
But to come to
action, useless.
That is me.
No, I didn't say that is you.
Yes.
But
okay. But anyway, I'm going to please to me an example of a seniorin.
Okay. There was this man who was a security guard, right?
Yes.
And he was coming from work at night.
Yes.
And when he says there, he sees something. He sees like a body. So when he approaches the body, he thinks it's a dog, but he thinks it's a pig. So he takes the pig and goes home with it. When he goes home, when the light is on, it turns out it's a dog. But he thought it was a pig. That's a Sinyorin.
Okay, now I realize.
So that's what she meant when she said a Sinyorin.
udzilaniswe nabani ngiblade. Wacha naina kakhona khona. Ngithi nawe, nathi singani sami ngithi Sinyorin. That's how namshayela nyalo ngithi ngibani Sinyorin.